My name's Jack Eit, and I'm from Wild Heritage Planners. I'm an urban planner. I'm against the toll road because there's smarter solutions out there. It's a $1 billion investment of scarce transportation resources on a road that basically goes nowhere. It destroys a state park. It will muddy the waters at Trestles Beach and take down O'Neill Land Sanctuary. My organization is working with Orange County Transportation Authority to come up with an alternative, a series of alternatives that basically we're looking at widening the I-5 because it's going to have to be done. If you just look at traffic and population growth across Southern California, San Diego to LA, the main lifeline is I-5. So right now, by investing $1 billion in this road going into the wilderness, you are not putting the money aside to widen a critical infrastructure that is important to our state's economy and our nation's economy, if you really think about it. So because of the non-compete agreement, if they actually do want to widen that section of the I-5, they're going to have to pay off the TCA and pay off the TCA for the road. So basically, it's a dumb deal, as well as destroying the environment. So we're looking at a number of different improvements to arterials and putting it out there and trying to educate people, because this project doesn't have to be built the way it is. We don't have to waste that money, and we certainly don't have to waste our critical environmental and park resources. So stop the toll road. Jack Eit is my name.